Everyone, this is my first ever Temu unboxing. So I really hope you're okay with the quality of it. I need to get a new phone, but that's how big it is. It's got lots. So let's open it. Alright. What's the matter? Woo-hoo-hoo! So I got wax paper to put on the diamond paintings. I can't wait to show you all. This is I got a Titanic one. I won't be taking it out. I just want to take out the thing and unveil it for you. It is so pretty. I really hope it's good. That's what it looks like. That's the first one. Put everything back. Sorry about my hair, I just woke up, so. Oh, don't do this now. Alright, that's the first one. I'll show you the big one when we finish. Oh, this is I got 3 horror movie ones. My favourite, also got Terrifier, so I'm going to put the clown ones in my lounge room. Because that's where I watch the most horror movies. This is black, red, grey, and white. I've never done this kind of one before, so that's what it looks like. Trigger warning if you don't like clowns. That is so cool. I can't wait to do that one. Put there. Wrap them up. I have to open them a little bit. I hate doing that. It's the only way to put them back. And I'll do like a big update on the big one every week. See, oh, come on. The last little bits, thank you. I got lots. I got another wax paper. Letting you know if this one scares you, click away. It's the nun. That is so cool. I'm putting that in the lounge room too. That is so cool. That's going to be a very big one to do. That will be like my second one after I do the big one. But I won't spoil it. I'll wait because I like putting people on the edge of their feet or into their chair, whatever. Oh, I hate that. It's the Again, I don't like doing that, but it's the only way I can do it. That is massive. This is my favourite one. Here's my favourite one. Ah, sneaky. 2 more left in there. Hoping you're liking my first ever Temu box review, unboxing or whatever. Terrifier! I love it. I got 3 horror movies this time. This was, all of it was about $40. The whole thing was $40. I have this. It gets them in the bloody thing. This is going to go right above my table. And I'm also getting, if this one goes really good, I'll be getting the laundry one and put it above my washing machine. So this one here is going above my table. Might even do that one first. It's so pretty. It's like breakfast, porridge, pancakes, coffee, eggs, strawberries. Look at all the colours. I can't wait to start it. I'll be starting the big one first. I'm going to have to put my camera somewhere because it won't fit the actual screen. I might even have to put it near my TV. Alright. Oh, sorry guys. Might have to put it here. She's a big one. She's a big one. Find the bloody thing to open it with. Okay. I'll do the small ones first. Sorry if it's too bright. It's small, but it's long. Jeez. It's like, oh, I hate this. That didn't work. That's going above my bed. That is so pretty. Oh, it's a turtle. Yes, the dolphins, but I did it for the turtle. Right, Jess? Right, Jess? So, in the next video, I'll be doing a setting up video. Oh, it's got one of those. The 2 thing. Yeah. So, the next video that I do will be of me choosing a video, a thing to do, and it will be me setting up the diamond painting. So, with these little wax papers, what I was thinking, every video I ask what number, and I'll do number from 1 to 50 or 1 to 20 or 1 to 100. And then you would choose how many there are and comment below on what piece of square paper that you want me to do. So I hope you like my first Temu unboxing. Oh, my bloody hair. Bye, lovelies. Mwah.